sure you have these books always on hand, folks. I really appreciate it if you do. Let's bust out our chicken breasts. I'm going to show you how to butterfly them. We're going to put them on a tray. So get a baking sheet that you can lay your chicken breasts on. And I'm going to grab my chicken breast. So as always, when we're working with chicken, what do I tell you? Clean hand, dirty hand. So I'm going to use my dirty hand, obviously, to touch the chicken breast. And I'm going to show you a butterfly technique. So here's your chicken breast. What I'm going to show you here, you'll see this little concave part of the chicken. This is where the breast fillet has been removed. You know, those chicken fingers, they call it? They take it off of there. So what I want you to do is take your thumb of your dirty hand and just unattach the top part. Just drag it along that a little bit, and you're going to just loosen off that one section. You may get a tendon in there that you have to break, and that just levels this out a little bit. So instead of it being like this, it's now like that. And this is the thicker part. I don't know if you can see it there in the back of my chef's jacket. And on this thicker part now, you're going to take your knife and you're going to cut it in half horizontally without going all the way through, and it's going to unfold like a butterfly wing. That's why I call it a butterfly cut, but just on that thicker portion now. So watch this. Taking my knife and slowly keep your fingers flat too, so you're not, going like this and cutting your fingertips. And if you're scared as you get closer to the end, just unfold it and take your knife and just do thin little cuts like this so you can have it nice and flat. And what that does, it levels out the playing field so it's all a more even thickness. So if I put this back and put this back, there was our chicken breast before. We separated that with our thumb, we cut that part, and we have a more level piece of chicken that's going to cook more evenly. And better plate coverage, better salad coverage. If you're to put this whole chicken breast on top of a salad or on top of a sandwich, you're going to get a lot more bun coverage by doing that. So put that on your tray standing by.